Hello, welcome. So we'll be making that beautiful headband, and these are the material we'll be using. Making use of our asoke. Remember, you can use any kind of asoke you want. So these are asoke we'll be using. Making use of our headband. We'll be making use of our tape rule, needle and thread, matching color of thread. And then for the embellishment, you can use anything, any flower to embellish. You see, you can use this, you can use this, you can use this, you can use anything to embellish. You can even use this. Can you see it? So depends on what you want, depends on how you want it. So let's get started. You cut your asoke. Already cut my own, and the measurements I'm making use of 14 in 2 places. So this is it. This is 14 inches. Can you see it? And I measure that in 2 places, 1 and 2. So you take it to the machine. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can use gum to gum it. So you take it to your sewing machine and then you sew like this. Place it on each other like this and sew. For those asking if we can use any other material, yes, you can use any material, but make sure you pad it so that it will be strong. You know, if you are using satin or any other material, it's soft, it will not stand. So for this one now, I'm making use of asoke, and I'll take it to my machine and I will sew it from the beginning to the end. After sewing it, I'll turn both ends like this twice. So let me take it to the machine, then I'll get back. So here is what we have. I've joined it here, I've joined it here and here. Now it's time for us to make our design. So what you do is you just place your tape like this, diagonal, like this. Can you see it? And then you mark it. Can you see it? I've marked it. So you now start pleating it. You start pleating it. See the line? I'll mark it like this. So you start pleating it. You can measure, let's measure 2 inches interval. Measure 2 inches. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, is 12, 14, 16, 18. So this is it. So this marking will guide me on where to pleat. So I'll now start picking the pleats. Start picking the pleats. When you pleat it, make sure it's coming like this and like this. Can you see it? So next is this. You see what I'm doing? So it's many two. So this is how we have. Can you see it? So having done it like this, you pick your needle and then you tack it, you insert it. Careful with your hand though. Can you see it? And you go again. So this is it. And you tie. So this is what we have. Now we are going to place it on our Alice band. Place it on our Alice band like this. Then you use your thread to tack it. You can see what I'm doing. Tack it. So you tie it to it. So this is what we have. This is what we have. This is it. So you can. So here is it. This is our headband. Now you can place it on the dummy or on your head just to fix it well. So now I want this to be like this. So I'll tack it down. So you can tack it down here. Can you see it? You tack it down. Remove it and tack it down. I want it to be like this, so I'll tack it. So this is the headband. I tack it down here. Can you see it? Now it's time for us to embellish. Now we place our gum here and then we attach it to it like this. You can use gold, you can use purple, you can use any matching color of embellishment. So this is the flower. You put your gum. Can you see it? Enough gum, then you attach it to it. You do it. Use it. For this part too, you attach your gum. You attach your gum. And then put it. So for here as well, you put something to cover it. You cover it. So this is our headband. You see how beautiful it is? See it, right? That's it. Thank you. I await your practical.